Pinterest message not working. So if your Pinterest message is not working, this might be because your app is out of date. And what you can do is go to your Play Store and update your app. And you can just open your Play Store and type Pinterest and then click on update where mine is saying install. So if that doesn't work, what you can do is use the old version of Pinterest, and you can just go to any browser and type old version Pinterest and just tap on this, and you can download which version that you like. So if it is still not working, you can use the browser to open your Pinterest. So you can just type Pinterest and then just log in through the browser itself. So that is how to fix Pinterest message not working.